Alright, everybody. I know a lot of people are pretty mad at me because camera's getting all out of focus. Dang it. And my phone's ringing. Hopefully someone downstairs will answer it. Okay, hopefully that worked. Anyway, as I was saying, a lot of people are pretty irritated at me because I had gotten rid of the Alertech 8004. And I'm very sorry I had to do that, but the reason why was because my friend is on a robotics team and he needed the basic stamp parts for his new robot. So I offered the basic stamp to him and he accepted it, so he decided to use it. So anyway, and I knew for a fact I was getting a new panel anyway, and I got it today and I hooked it up. Are you guys ready to see what it is? Okay, but first, only 3 people guessed it correctly. Only one person got it right in the comment box of one of my other videos, and 2 people guessed right on AIM. So, you guys ready to see what it is? Alright, and let me make sure my... this camera's really starting to irritate me just a little bit because it all gets out of focus. Anyway, you guys ready to see what it is? It's a Firelight MS5 UD. Yep, I got a Firelight MS5 UD. And right now it's got one trouble, and it's the battery trouble. So let's go ahead and get the key, Firelight key. Here we go. Let's go ahead and show you the inside of it. Get the key in there. There we go. But yeah. So yeah, I need to get batteries. I plan to get some soon. I really like this panel a lot, and it's really cool. So yeah. For today's test, I have my new Siemens UHN S17. No, this is not the UH&H. This is the UHN. This is rated at 96 decibels. The reason why it's a UHN is because this is a Faraday 6234, and that means it's 96 decibels, and the 100 decibel version, which is the UH&H S17, would be the Faraday 6254B. So don't get confused with that. And the strobe is a sync strobe, and this panel actually has synchronization for Faraday horn strobes, so it's pretty cool. And I have my Notifier NVG12L right here, and I have it currently set on. I have this horn set on Code 3, and the strobe is set on Faraday sync, and then I'm going to show you march time. So, with that said, we are ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Acknowledge. Alright, we got this alarm silence, and the strobe is continuing to flash. So now we'll go ahead and reset the pull station. Okay. And oops, dropped my keys almost. Okay. And we'll go ahead and reset the system. Okay, the trouble's up there. And there's a piece of electrical tape over the piezo because the piezo's kind of loud. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn off my light. So I'm going to turn off these lights. So that way you can probably see the strobe a little bit better. Okay. Now it kind of got a little bit dark in here, but that's okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to change the coding of the horn to march time. I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to change the strobe to silenceable so that way I could save its life. Even though this was new in box. But I'm a safety freak. So we're going to get into programming, we're going to hit Enter. We're going to click 2 for programming. Enter the password. Oh, before I go anywhere else, the reason why there's tape over the keypad right here is because the escape key it pops out, and I had no other way of fixing it otherwise besides putting a piece of tape over it, so that's why there's tape over the keypad. Now, we want to go to 2 for NACs, and the horn is on NAC 1, and see it says temporal, so we're going to change it to, we got all these other ones, we got steady, March time, California, temporal, 2 stage 3 minutes, 2 stage 5 minutes, sync system sensor, sync Wheelock, sync Gentex, sync Faraday, and sync Amsico. We're going to scroll back up to March time, press 2, and then silence options, we want it to be silenceable, so we're going to escape out of that. Now, the strobe is on NAC 3, and I originally had it wired to NAC 2, but for some reason NAC 2 does not work right, even though there is a resistor in there. And I hooked it up earlier, and it still doesn't work. I don't understand why, so anyway, we're going to change it to, go to NAC 3, and we got enabled, and then the coding is sync Faraday. Silenceable, the silence option is sync mute, so what we're going to do is we're going to change it. We're going to go 1, we're going to change it to silenceable. And then all we got to do is just reset. Actually, first escape, and then reset. And reset. Sorry, I'm talking a lot, and yeah. Anyway, I'll stop my blabbering. Knowledge. And the date and time is not correct. I have to change that. So, this time, let's do drill mode. Okay. And as you see, the strobe is turned off. Now all we gotta do is just reset. Okay, acknowledge. Alright guys, this was a test of my new Firelight MS5 UD with my new Siemens UHN S17. And definitely stay tuned for more videos. I'll definitely upload more later. And in the next video, I'll hope to have the system up on the wall with a wire mold. And also, you're going to see something else in the next video. I promise you, it's a big surprise. But anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.